This whole pathway from the mouth to the anus is called as the alimentary canal. Even though various kinds of harsh foods and liquids are sent through this canal, it digests it all. But when these are sent in a lot of amounts, then it might not digest and you may feel sick or even have indigestion. So, to get rid of all these harmful substances in the stomach, the body carries out a process that is vomiting. Here, the involuntary movements of the digestive tract and the esophagus reverse the normal direction because of which the food is expelled. Vomiting is generally caused because of overeating, especially if the food contains high amounts of fat. It can also be caused if we eat something very indigestible or something that is poisonous. Vomiting, if it is greenish in color and bitter in taste, then it is usually called as bilious or liverish. Now this is caused if we eat a rich or heavy meal over a certain period of days. Here, the liver is unable to cope with the fat and may even cause you nausea. Indigestion, as the term itself suggests, is the difficulty that is caused in the process of digestion. And this can be avoided by simply maintaining a simple and well-balanced diet, by drinking plenty of water, by not rigorously exercising soon after eating, by chewing the food properly, and also having regular bowel movements. And surprisingly, more serious forms of indigestion, which is caused by the stomach and the duodenal ulcers, is often seen in people who are generally hurried or worried. And that's why ulcers are mostly present in people who rush over things, eat things quickly, or do not take sufficient rest from one activity to the other. And people who follow a simpler life and who follow a slower pace at life and are relaxed do not get ulcers that often. Thus, we need to understand that for the proper functioning of all life's processes, there should be required amount of food for all the living organisms. It's not just the intake of the food, but also the assimilation and the expulsion of waste play an important role in this. And this constipation and indigestion can be avoided by consuming foods that are rich in fiber. So what have we learned today? We have learned the health aspects of the alimentary canal. So until next time, happy learning!